Howdy, my name is Asher Williams and I am a member of the group Ruby on Rails, and today I will be giving a demo of the project that we created, or a demo of the application that we created for Dr. Murphy. Now, the application Dr. Murphy wanted us to create is an application that will allow you to upload images, and that these images would then be represented by a marker on the map where you can then toggle its direction. You can click on the marker and it will show the image and some of its information, and then you can also filter these markers based off of the date they were taken. So here I'll start with uploading some images. Let me go to the folder where the images are located. All right, so I will upload, oops, I don't want to do that. All right, so and we'll just upload the first 25 or 21. Now it's going to take a while to upload these images, but you can upload multiple images at once, but there is somewhere a limit to where how many images you can upload, otherwise it will crash the application. That is a future improvement that will need to be addressed later on. But as you see right now, you don't see any markers displayed. We took this feature off because we decided that not having the markers displayed immediately as you upload it could help save some running time and some processing power, so that you can upload more images at once. But you can tell that images have been uploaded, since you can see here in our time filter or date range, it changed from being just blank to having actual a minute and max dates. Now, if I was to just quickly do that and hit filter, you see now that a marker has appeared. If we click on this marker, you can see that we're presented with the image. We're presented with the image's file name, its latitude and longitude, as well as its direction. Now if I click out, you see these are all of the images that I uploaded, all 20 of them. And you can see how each of them also has their own directional arrows. These directional arrows represent the direction that the camera is facing. So here you can actually kind of see how in this area right here is where the drone with the camera initially takes off, and then it starts heading in this direction. Now if I were to hit this toggle button for the direction, all of those directional arrows disappear. And if I was to re-click it, they reappear. Now if I was to filter the time, so right now we only wanted to do from 12:09 to 12:30. You see almost all of these images disappeared, and that's because there are only 2 images that actually fulfill this requirement. Now it looks like there's only one, but there is actually 2. It's just the markers are like they're right on top of each other, and so that is another future improvement for later team members who work on this, is that they will need to figure out a way to decrease this marker size so you can actually see all of these markers. But for right now, it is a current limitation of the project. And you'll see right here again, I click it off, click it on, works just fine. Now if I was to increment it by 1, we get more. And then if we go back to our max, we get all of them again. So that is the current build version of our application. Hopefully, there were some features we weren't able to implement, and these features will have to be implemented by future groups that work on this, such as the camera FOV function. And the reason why we weren't able to implement this is because we discovered that there is some specific requirements such as the type of camera that was used, and we aren't able to extract that data from just the image itself. So we will have to add a selection box, or future groups have to add a selection box based off of what type of camera they can use, like what type of camera they're using, since that influences the type of FOV. And then another future feature that future groups will have to implement is a selection box to where the user can select which images they want to download, and then they can download all of those images to their local machine. But I thank you for taking the time to watch this demo, and I hope you have a wonderful day.